What's good, doll gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kayla Lashae for those of you guys that are new. Hopefully you guys like this video enough to join the doll gang by hitting the subscribe button down below and clicking the bell to turn on post notifications. So today was a video that I really wanted to do because I really wanted to share how I pack. I know that's kind of like, okay, you just throw your stuff in a luggage and then you be about your business. But no, I literally go through a whole process of packing. It takes me about a week, maybe 3 days if I'm lucky, to figure out my outfits, get it in my luggage, and really commit to the things that I'm bringing with me on my trip. What I mean by packing light, this thing is tiny. This is my carry-on. This is gonna be a carry-on edition because sometimes your girl doesn't want to pay to check a bag. Sometimes I don't want to wait around for my bag to arrive. At baggage claim, I would just rather be in and out. I hate the airport, let me just throw that out there. So whatever I can do to get in and out as fast as possible, I'm gonna do that. You know, you don't have to wait in a line to check your bag. You don't have to worry about it being lost at your destination. So this is my carry-on bag. With summer and like spring, it's so much easier to pack more outfits because you don't have to bring bulky sweaters and jackets and layers and heavy thick scarves and hats with you. You can just kind of roll everything, which I'll tell you guys more about that later, and stuff more stuff in your carry-on. This video is sponsored by Poshmark. Thank you guys so much for working with me. I've been using Posh for a couple of years on my own, and then they saw my closet and they were like, girl, you're dope, let's collaborate. So I'm just gonna tell you right now that Posh is my favorite way to clean out my closet. I go through phases where I'm like, yes, I love that, I'm gonna wear that. Then I get sick of it, so I put it on Poshmark. It's a great way for you to buy and sell clothes that you no longer use, especially if you're like me and you're not a hoarder and you just want to get rid of things. You don't like to hold on to stuff for the sake of holding on to it. And especially now since it's summertime, I'm sure you're gonna want to go on adventures and trips and travels and do fun vacations and just do fun things in your own city. Well, if you need some extra cash, Poshmark is a great way to go ahead and make some extra coin on this side. So my closet currently has a bunch of shoes and bags, fun accessories, stuff like that. I might list my Fenty Pumas because I don't wear them, they don't fit me, but something is telling me, Kayla, do not sell those. They are like limited edition. They don't even make them anymore in the color that I have. So if you guys want me to put them up on my Poshmark, let me know and I'll do that for you. I just don't wear them and I feel bad holding on to them and not using them because they are a size too big. I've sold Nike, UGG, Puma, there's a lot of Steve Madden, Fry, so much cool stuff, Rebecca Minkoff, the list goes on. You will see it pop up on my closet. My closet is lit, so check it out. But also, if you guys have Poshmark, go ahead and leave your usernames in the comments. I love stalking your closets and seeing what I can find on there and seeing what cool things I can pick up, and I'm sure the dolls would like to share their closets as well, so you guys can shop within the doll gang. You guys should definitely download Poshmark if you're not already. I don't know what you're doing. It's like the best thing since sliced bread. So check the links out in the down bar to download Posh for free and start selling and buying your clothes today. So let's go ahead and jump on into the first thing that I do. Now that my closet is clean and I have a great vision of what it is that I want to pack with me, everything else comes so easy. I like to stick to neutral colors whenever I'm packing for whatever type of trip, and this is why. It's because I like to be able to use one item in multiple ways. This way you're able to maximize the closet on the go, if you will. You know, like you're gonna be away from your house, you're kind of stuck with what you have, so you might as well make the most out of it. So let's say I'm packing a pair of high-waisted denim shorts, which I will be because it's gonna be hot and humid where I'm going. I can definitely use that and dress it up with different tops and bodysuits. I can do a casual outfit with a t-shirt, or I can go ahead and dress it up with a bodysuit, okay? So you wanna be able to have one item that you can wear 2 or 3 different times. Same thing with shoes. Shoes are probably the most annoying thing to pack, especially if you're doing a carry-on bag, right? They're so bulky and thick. So I hate packing so many different pairs of shoes. So basically every outfit that I pack, I like to have the option to wear it with 2 different types of shoes. I'm wearing a pair of shoes to the airport, okay, and then I'm gonna pack another pair that I can wear during my trip. It's just something that is just so annoying to pack clunky shoes in a small luggage. So that's what I mean by being able to maximize the clothes that you bring. The next thing that I do when I actually put everything in my luggage is I do the rolling technique. I do find that this saves so much space, especially if you go on your trip and you do some shopping there and you don't really have the most room to bring everything back home with you, roll your items up and then tuck them into the corners of your luggage and just stack them on top. It's such a better method than folding your clothes or just chucking them into your bag and hoping for the best. Probably the next most important thing I do is I always think about what is it that I'm gonna be doing at my destination, what type of weather is happening. Girl, you better check the weather app because you need to be prepared. That is like one of the first things I do the day before I leave. Even if I already have everything laid out, I have to make those adjustments because you need to be prepared, people. You have to be prepared. Kind of important for me too to, I don't know, not overpack, because when I'm away, I do not like to keep track of 1,000,001 different things. I like to be very minimal with it, which is why I stick to a carry-on bag. That way I'm kind of restricted to the amount of stuff that I'm allowed to bring with me, and it's a lot easier for me to keep track of my belongings. And if you can do laundry at your destination, the better, okay? You can reuse the same things. The only thing I would say I overpack on is underwear. Okay, we need to be fresh in these streets. That's the only thing. So don't pack for every freaking scenario, like the beach, the club. You gonna go to a fancy dinner, but then you want to go to mini golf. Like, no, just pack your normal stuff. Don't be thinking about what you might be doing because you probably won't even wear that look. So the question of the vlog today is, are you an underpacker or are you just right? Or are you an overpacker all the time? Please let me know. I do not want to be alone in this. Please let me know in the comments down below. Let me give you guys a little insight on how I pack and how much you can get into a small sized carry-on, okay? So there's no room, no time for overpacking. So let me show you guys what we have going on. As I mentioned earlier, I don't like to overpack on shoes. As you can tell, this takes up quite a bit of room. So for my trip, I'm only planning on bringing 2 pairs of shoes that will work with all of my looks. Keep in mind that I will be wearing 1 pair to the airport for travel day, so that will definitely give us a lot more space. Probably wear the slides because I can get them on and off through security. And then we have room for our toiletry bag, hygiene bag, and then our makeup bag. Now on the part of my luggage that has this zipper compartment, this is where I like to keep my clothes and my clothes only because it protects it from the shoes and everything else that I have. So underneath this flap, you guys will find all of these goodies. So this is basically what I'll be wearing on my trip. So I make sure that I bring tops that I can go ahead and mix and match with most of my bottoms. I also like to bring some sort of a jacket because I'm such a baby. I get cold so easily. Anything under 70, I cannot take it. So I decided to bring this black leather jacket that I know will go with my Converse very well, and also with these 2 bodysuits here on top. So if I wanted to dress up a little bit more, then I would definitely opt to wear a bodysuit with these denim shorts and then a jacket and then some Converse. Boom, that's already 2 outfits right there. So under that, I have a bunch of oversized t-shirts. I'm going through a phase right now where I'm all about biker shorts and oversized t-shirts with the drop shoulders. So I'm packing 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. That's already 4 days of outfits right there. And of course I can wear them with either pair of my biker shorts because I'm bringing 2, or I could pair them with some high-waisted denim shorts to give it a different look. So I'm already maximizing my style by being able to mix and match the items that I'm bringing with me already. So we've got 6 tops and 4 bottoms because I'm also bringing a pair of sweatpants, with the addition of bringing the outfit that I'm wearing to the airport, which is obviously going to be more sweatpants and like a hoodie. Then I have 2 pajamas because I don't need to bring a bunch. I can always do laundry. So already this is more than enough outfits that I will need on my trip. I have folded them and stacked them up so I could show you what they look like. If I did not roll them, this is what it would look like. See that? It takes up a lot of space. It would definitely fit, but I think everything would fit much better if I rolled it. But it's not necessary, just for this video so you could see all of the outfits that I'm bringing. I also always like to have a little bit of space in my luggage just in case I decide to pick up a few things on my trip that I won't have to stress about, oh my gosh, where is it gonna go? I'll definitely have some space in here. So let me go ahead and show you guys what this would look like rolled, because you can see it's kind of like overflowing right now. spend the night? Can I spend the night? So yes, I hope you dolls enjoyed today's video and my little tips that I have to share. Be sure to go ahead and hit the like button on this video. It really helps me out here on the YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new. And of course, click the bell so you guys never miss a post. Be sure to check out Poshmark. Links are down below. Download that. Start making your coins so you guys can go on fun adventures. Bye!